If you're seeing white space at the bottom of your page, or it's not displaying the way that you would expect, there are some things to keep in mind. The first is that although you might be able to see the white space on your editor, that does not mean that you will be able to see this white space on the page. Convertri's pages end at the bottommost element, so if that's a colored panel or a footer, that is where your page will end. In the editor you can scroll past it, purely so that you can add more elements and grow your pages, but the live page will only display just past the element. If you want to check how this is looking, you can click Preview and see where your page ends. Once you've hit Preview, you can scroll to the bottom and see if there's any white space. In this case there is, and if you're experiencing that, then follow these following tips to get it sorted. When you're in the editor, toggle on element outlines, which ensures that you will be able to see the outline of every single element on your page. Now scroll to the white space and see if there is anything blocking it. If there is, either move it up or delete it so that it doesn't display this way anymore. Go back to Preview and you will now see that the page ends at the last element. It was before, but it just couldn't be seen. If you want to add an element at the bottom of the page, that's also really simple to do. Add a panel element and drag it below the bottommost element where the page is currently ending. Make it full width and adjust it to the space where you want to add the amount of space that you want, and make the background either match the color that you currently have your page background set to, or completely translucent so that you would not be able to see it anyway. Once you've done this, hit select, and when you go back and preview your page, just as much white space as you have drawn onto that panel will be created for you to add your designs to.